Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Excuse me. So in today's video, I'm going to be covering, just like I did the last video about Synchrony Bank, Synchrony Financial, I'm going to be covering different business trade lines that are underwritten through Citibank and some of the requirements, so you guys have an idea for these different trade lines, what you need to be able to get approved for them. So I went over, like I said, 5 of the Synchrony Bank business trade lines. And the last video, this one is the Citibank trade lines that are underwritten through Citibank. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. But before I do, if you guys could please hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and turn the bell notification on. We're already over 4,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. And we're trying to get to 5,000 by the end of this month. So, all right, let's get into it. So, just so you guys know, there's, several financial institutions that underwrite different commercial accounts. So, for this one, you can see these are the main ones. These aren't all of them, but these are the main ones. There's Wex Bank, which underwrites ExxonMobil. And there's a few others out there, but this particular one, this ExxonMobil business card, you can see it does not have the Wex brand there. So, how you can tell it's through Citibank is look up at the top of the application address bar. You can see cityretailservices.citibankonline.com. So that's going to be a Citibank application. So I'll go through all these real quick, and then I will tell you what you need to have for your business credit reporting to be able to get approved for these. All right. So all the applications pretty much look the same for all of Citibank applications. So you can just kind of look here. They pretty much all look the same. So I'm not going to go through all those details on that. But you can see, like, I don't know why this is Tractor Supply, but Tractor Supply, you can see Tractor Supply has the same application. The ExxonMobil does as well. And then you can see Staples as well. So I don't know why that's happening, but you can see it says Citibank at the bottom here. But Staples cards are also through Citi, the commercial card and business card. Same as with the Office Depot is also through Office Depot. Office Max is also through the Citibank. But like I said, those are through Citibank. You can kind of see at the bottom here, it will tell you, who it's underwritten through. And why I'm pointing this out is because you need to make sure that you don't just go apply for all these different Citibank-backed cards if you're not, already have your business credit in order and who they're pulling through. Because if you get you're going to get denied through any of these. If you get denied through one, don't go apply for the other ones like Tractor Supply, Staples, Exxon, because you're not going to get approved. It's going to come back with the same response. So like I said, Office Depot, you see the same application just like all the other ones. They're the same exact application. That's how you can tell who they're underwritten through. Now, Home Depot bought several companies out, like Supply Works and Barnett's and a few other ones. But the commercial revolving charge card and the commercial card is through also Citibank, but there's a backdoor way. I'll get into that in another video because I don't want to confuse you guys. But if you're just to apply for these, it's going to be also Citibank. Let's let it, so you can see. it's also the same exact application. So you guys will start to know when you're applying for these different accounts, you'll notice that the applications look the same. A lot of them do, because there's really only 3 or 4 underwriters for most of the big box stores, Best Buy, all those. Best Buy's through another company, underwritten through another company, MSTS. I'll make a video about that. But so all of these through Citibank, what they're going to require is your business already established. Some people get approved after 3 or 4, 5, 6 months being in business. It really just depends on how many business trade lines you have reporting. So they're going to either pull Experian or Dun and Bradstreet or both, depending on what your business credit profile looks like. Obviously, don't PG any of these. They want you to be in business for 3 years, but it's not really a requirement. You can still get approved, for these cards, as long as you have a thick enough credit profile. So, as I said, these are all ones that you're going to make sure you're going to want to have at least 5 reporting to Dun & Bradstreet and Experian, more than just $100 on each trade line. They're going to want to see $500 to $1,000 trade lines reporting to Experian and Dun & Bradstreet to be able to get approval. All right, so don't confuse the Home Depot one with the other backdoor way that you can get approved going through Supply Works. I'll explain that into another video so you guys understand the difference between those. But I just wanted to point that out. This Citibank's going to be one of the harder ones to get approved for. Everything's going to have match up on your business credit, the same as what you're going to put on your application. Okay. The revenue, you're going to want to be over $100,000 a year and over 4 employees. Typically will trigger approval as long as everything else is in order. I'm not really teaching you in this video how to get approved for these, because everybody's business credit situation is different. What I'm teaching you in this video is the different banks that are backing, underwriting the different companies. Like I did the Synchrony Bank, and then this one's the Citibank. I'll be doing Community Bank and MSTS and Capital One Blue Tarp. So stay tuned for that video. But I just wanted to put this information out there so you guys kind of knew, all these different companies are not going through different banks. A lot of them there's only a handful of banks out there that are underwriting a lot of these accounts. So if you get denied with one, don't go and apply for the others that are through Citibank until you address those, your business credit profile. And I'll teach you all that here soon. Anyways, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Just look at the applications and you can actually see, like I said, the resemblance. The applications are pretty much identical. As you can see, they're pretty much identical. So keep that in mind when you're applying for business credit. And like I said, Citibank's going to be a little bit more strict. And if you don't get an auto approval, you may get a code that comes back. It'll say 23, 24, or 25. We need more information, or call us. I'll give you a reference number. Typically, if it's a application code 25, that means that you're going to have to PG or it's a denial. If it's a 23 or 24, they just need more information to confirm. So give them a call. But talk to them when you're calling in. Talk to them, find out the reason, because you want to know why you're getting denied so you can address that and work on that. All right. So stay tuned until the next video. I got a couple more videos coming today and also a live stream this evening. Okay. Till next time, you guys take care. All right. And do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Thank you.